How to set astronomy or Earth wallpapers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Wallpaper. Inside the Wallpaper menu, tap on Add New Wallpaper as shown. You can browse through various categories like Weather, Emoji, and Collections. Scroll down and select the Weather and Astronomy category. Here, you can browse through a collection of dynamic, space-themed wallpapers. Swipe to find your preferred option, like a planet or the entire solar system, then tap Add in the top right corner. From the pop-up that appears, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair to apply it to both screens. Finally, tap on Set as Current to finalize your selection. The new wallpaper is now set as your current background. Following these steps, you can easily change the wallpaper on an iPhone.